Indulge guilt-free with our sugar-free blueberry coffee cake recipe. Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about delicious and healthy recipes. Today, we have a special treat for you, a sugar-free blueberry coffee cake that's bursting with flavor and perfect for breakfast or as a delightful snack. Not only is this recipe incredibly tasty, but it's also made without any added sugar, so you can indulge guilt-free. So, let's get started and dive into this mouthwatering creation. Ingredients: 2 cups almond flour, 1/4 cup coconut flour, 1/4 cup unsweetened applesauce, 1/4 cup melted coconut oil, 1/4 cup unsweetened almond milk, 3 eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 cup fresh or frozen blueberries. For the streusel topping, 1/2 cup almond flour, 2 tablespoons melted coconut oil, 2 tablespoons chopped walnuts, optional, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon. Instructions: preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease a 9-inch square baking pan or line it with parchment paper. In a large mixing bowl, combine almond flour, coconut flour, baking powder, and salt. Mix well. In a separate bowl, whisk together the eggs, melted coconut oil, unsweetened applesauce, almond milk, and vanilla extract. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and stir until well combined. The batter will be thick. Gently fold in the blueberries, being careful not to overmix. Pour the batter into the prepared baking pan, spreading it out evenly. In a small bowl, mix together the almond flour, melted coconut oil, chopped walnuts, if using, and cinnamon to make the streusel topping. Sprinkle the streusel mixture evenly over the batter in the baking pan. Bake in the preheated oven for 30 to 35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Allow the coffee cake to cool for a few minutes before serving. You can serve it warm or at room temperature. And there you have it, our scrumptious sugar-free blueberry coffee cake recipe. We hope you enjoyed this video and are inspired to give it a try in your own kitchen. Remember, eating healthy doesn't mean sacrificing flavor, and this coffee cake is proof of that. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more delectable recipes, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss an update. If you try this recipe, let us know in the comments below how it turned out for you. Stay tuned for more amazing recipes, and until next time, happy baking! Free ebook: Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol, worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.